The components required for this experiment are Arduino Uno board, GSM 800C module, SIM card, DHT11 sensor, 12-volt adapter, connecting wires and connecting cable. Here we are using a GSM shield and we need to insert the SIM card to the GSM module like this. Then place the GSM module on the top of the Arduino Uno board like this. Now you can do the rest of the connections. Now we need to upload the program. For that, go to Tools, go to Board and here select Arduino Uno and then select the port. Now click this upload button and upload the program to the Arduino Uno board. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the Arduino Uno board. Now go to serial monitor. Here mention the baud rate same as what you mentioned in the program. Now you can see the output in the serial monitor as well. Here you got the value of temperature and humidity. The same thing you will get as an SMS in your mobile number.